Which of the following is the capital city of Barbados? Bridgetown, Lima, Nassau, Lusaka. The correct answer is Bridgetown. What is the largest US state by area? Alaska, Texas, California, Montana. The correct answer is Alaska. What is the title of the autobiography written by former US First Lady Hillary Rodham Clinton? Living History, Under No Illusion, In the Moment, Let's Face It. The correct answer is Living History. Who painted the famous artwork The Girl with a Pearl Earring? Claude Monet, Johannes Vermeer, Pablo Picasso, Henri Matisse. The correct answer is Johannes Vermeer. Which galaxy is known for its distinctive sombrero shape? Andromeda Galaxy, Milky Way Galaxy, Messier 104 Galaxy, Triangulum Galaxy. The correct answer is Messier 104 Galaxy. The official language of the Byzantine Empire was Greek, Latin, Coptic, Persian. The correct answer is Greek. What was the value of the first US coin? 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents. The correct answer is 1 cent. Gallium is a byproduct of the production of which metal? Copper, aluminum, zinc, iron. The correct answer is aluminum. Which country is H&M's largest market in terms of sales? United States, Germany, United Kingdom, China. The correct answer is Germany. Which film won the Academy Award for Best Picture in 2011, defeating The Social Network? The Social Network, Inception, The King's Speech, Black Swan. The correct answer is The King's Speech. How many watts are equal to 1 kilowatt? 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. The correct answer is 1000. What toaster pastry, originally called fruit scones, was first sold in stores in 1964? Pop-Tarts, Eggo waffles, toaster strudel, Rice Krispies treats. The correct answer is Pop-Tarts. Which is the smallest country in South America by land area? Uruguay, Suriname, Guyana, Paraguay. The correct answer is Suriname. What do we call a chemical reaction that takes in heat from its surroundings? Exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction, neutral reaction, combustion reaction. The correct answer is endothermic reaction. Which US president is credited with ending slavery? George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, Theodore Roosevelt, John F. Kennedy. The correct answer is Abraham Lincoln.